On today's episode of Fuck Around and Find Out with Captain Meat, we have a window that won't roll up. Well, so I believe it's the motor. I hope it's the motor. I'm going to try to change the motor with this one that I got from eBay and hope it works. Let's get to it. Got that out. Gotta disconnect. Boom, move those out of the way. Then come in here, unhook this one. Just pops that out. Then another one slides forward. Let me get a better angle. There we go. So it just drops in. Okay. Then get this out of the way. It's a nice little sticky part. Boop. You can hold that for later somewhere. Take out a bolt. Let's see. Accidentally rolled the window down all the way, and I can't get it back up. Fuck. All I can do now is to try to, I guess, take this fucking panel off and hope I can get the window to go up. Sorry to jump forward, but I got the new motor in, so I'm gonna reconnect it here. Boom, that's in. Now I'm gonna connect it back to my switch and see if it works. Whoops. Now to see if this thing works. This button.
How about banks being on site for instant credit approval? How about Kevin and his team giving you $500 more than CarMax for your trade-in? Plus Jones for a lifetime.
Hey.
Free car washes, and
Hey.
for a lifetime. It's one of the many reasons Jones has 1 million positive online likes and reviews. Taylor Hyundai for Jones Junction. See the selection now at jonesjunction.com. Anyone with it couldn't have it as a kid.
Oh, that's a little weird. I haven't run into that. It just rolls itself down.
And the Texas Rangers. The three-game series that begins on Monday, June 23rd through Wednesday, June 25th. Come to the ballpark and have some fun with it.
Now I'm not seeing to be up, so I don't know what happened. Turned it off, turned it on, and now it's up there. So, yay!